HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings icon. Then here let's scroll down and choose system. Now let's tap reset, and from the following options let's choose reset all settings. So this will reset all settings, no data or documents will be deleted, and you'll reset the following settings: all network settings, fingerprints, face recognition data, lock screen password. So if you are aware of this, let's tap reset all settings, begin the operation by tapping reset all settings again, and wait until the whole process will be completed. And that's it, the operation is completed. Now you can go back and start using your phone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.